You might see me smiling and you know I'm going through something. It's because I've wrapped myself with the Word of God. And so that's the reason why I can laugh, because I know how this thing is going to end.
Whatever you need and whenever you need it, the I am, the I am shows up in that moment. Every label, every limitation that man tried to put on you, it will not work, because God says you're too oily. There's too much oil on your life that every limit will fall off. You thought you failed, but I hear God saying that He's changing somebody's status from failure to success, because God says, I don't create failures, but I create champions.